Hello guys, Javier here. This is my 21 Lunar Rock Toyota Tundra 2021. It took me a long time to pick out some tires, and I must say I'm very proud and excited about the ones that I bought. These are the 295s Open Country 70 R18s. I wanted to keep the original rim, so I ended up going with these tires. I must say it's not a rough ride, and neither it's loud also, because that was my biggest thing. I wanted to make sure that it wasn't loud on the road, especially on freeway driving, because I like smooth driving. And I must say I'm very happy with these. If you guys are thinking of getting tires for your truck, especially on a Tundra, these will not rub, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy them as well. I just got them, it's day one. I'll see how they do in a week when they break in, but I'm definitely excited about the look, the way it feels on the road, and also not loud, which was important to me. So one of the things I did do is I did have an inch in the back. I added an inch in the back and 1.5 in the front with the Westcott designs, the lift kit that comes specifically for the pros. You won't see it, but this was made specifically for this type of truck. I like the stance, I like the way it looks. Definitely recommend it, guys.